that first wind up and slap it. Make sure you're good.
Yeah, guys.
It won't fire. You're good. Just to make. And you want to hit it a little harder and a little faster.
Higher?
And yep. And a little higher.
Okay. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
You're hot.
Are you ready, Ben? Oh my God!
Right next to him.
I told you he was in range.
That's awesome.
Yeah, Ben. Stay there, Ben. Stay there.
That's great. That's a good kick.
Right here, the shot landed.
Right here.
Nope, right here.
Right there, and then bounce to here. Yeah, you probably would have been dead.
I was definitely.
You totally would have been dead. Alrighty, sweet.